Greetings, family. Welcome to yet another valuable video, I guess. Valuable information that I'm gonna share, important updates that I'm gonna share with you. Firstly, as many of you have seen with my community post, is that I've been quite sick for this past 2 weeks. I mean, we got into December. It's my birthday month, my anniversary month. I missed my anniversary, my 4th year anniversary, because I was sick. Hospitalized by then. But by God's grace, we are well now. We are quite strong, and I'm very grateful for the life that God has given me and the people around me. Thank you to everybody that kept on checking those. I think there was one person from YouTube and a few from, of course, my mentorship, who were just checking up on me, who said, "You haven't posted anything, we have not heard anything from you." So at least we're able to reach out to those people and let them know what was happening. But nevertheless, guys, I am well, and we're gonna be posting content under this video. I'd like you to suggest to me what kind of content would you like to see this December and going forward as of 2025. And speaking of 2025, a lot of you guys, you do New Year resolutions, vision board, all of that, but you only start executing as of the year of 2025, whilst you're still at home now enjoying your time off from work. There's fewer or less hours depending on what industry you're in. It is the time for you to really invest in yourself in terms of the time that you have to log in terms of knowledge, watch the YouTube videos over here, or just log in on yourself, so that when 2025 comes up, you're able to really elevate. You're already elevated and you're just flowing in what you've already prepared, right? But major updates that I wanted to share. Number one, our website is down. Okay, it was down, then okay, we're getting it up, but now we just decided to keep it for a while to just change some few stuff. Then it's gonna be up by January. Okay, but changes or big major changes would be that as of January 2025, we won't be taking any new students whatsoever. We would have closed us taking any enrollments or buying any of our products or anything of that nature. Okay, this is just to roll out a new plan. Other plans that I have, I will share them later once they've materialized in terms of that, but we're no longer taking new students. And with that, I wanted to actually welcome new students at the moment, but without actually the website. We're gonna do Zoom sessions, so almost like one-on-one, but as a group. And I want a very small group so that we can personalize it. Only 5 people that I want to take, that they want to lock down or just lock it in within this December, just a few days of December, where we can lock it in. They will get access to the mentorship Discord, where the overall community is there. But I want to teach these people on a very personalized level, where we teach them from trading psychology, technicals, fundamentals, news trading, the nature of our approach, our very special strategies that we use to approach the markets. I really want to get to train them and to develop that market biofeedback. So those 5 people, or I only have 5 spots on this, it's only going to be $80. Okay, so there's no limit to this, but of course they are going to run out as soon as I air this video. Many people will be texting us in terms of that, and I'm only going to be limiting it to 5 people, only for $80 once off. So it's usually, I think, about $250 for this kind of class, but now we're taking for $80. This is the last batch of people or enrollments we will ever take in the history of Skilled FX Academy. Then from next year I will unveil exactly what, but it won't involve enrollments as well, just something else. Okay, so I'm very glad about that, of that update that we're able to do to really elevate our content as well. So as I said, number one, I was hospitalized, hence no content for you guys. Number two, our website is down, but intentionally in this case now. Before, it was because I was in the hospital, so I couldn't do some things there to renew it. Once renewed, then we're able to now do what we have to do, myself and my developer. And then number two, of course, is that we are going to be closing enrollments as of January. In fact, as of December. So we're only taking this few people that I would really want to pour out myself and my heart and my knowledge in them, and then As of 2025, everybody that's under the mentorship, the paid mentorship, we're gonna be really concentrating on them. I will post content there and there, but mainly the people that I'll be equipping, doing live trading sessions with them, is gonna be in the mentorship Discord. Okay, that's it again for this video. I will follow up in more videos on valuable content that you guys are used to, but please do comment down below on what type of content you want to see, what type of education or what you like to learn, and then I'll comment down below telling you if it's possible or not. Thank you so much for those who prayed for me, who wished me all the best wishes. Yes, my birthday is on the 27th. So thank you so much. You can also wish me a happy birthday in advance over there. But yeah, I think I'll post something on that day as well. Thank you so much. God bless.